Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn about ports and cables used in computer. So our topic is your computer ports and cables. Here we are going to take some commonly used ports and cables. Okay, so let us start. Okay. This is the picture of your PS2 ports. Okay. Earlier the mouse and the keyboards were come with your PS2 ports and it has your 6 pins. See in CPU the icon for your keyboard is there, icon for your mouse is there. Means you have to connect these ports for your mouse and keyboard. Okay. PS2 port has a simple 6-pin low-speed serial connection and commonly used to connect keyboard and mouse. Okay, if you select to use USB keyboard and mouse, then you can disable your PS2 port. If your CPU is having PS2 port, then you have to disable that PS2 port and then your USB mouse or your keyboard will be attached to your computer. Okay, let us move to the next port. Yes, this is your VGA monitor port. Now VGA monitor port, see, this is the part of your CPU which has your holes and this is your cable which has the pins. So on connecting, first see the shape of this port and then connect. Okay, if you are going to insert the pins in a wrong direction, then your VGA port will be destroyed. Okay, so this is your VGA monitor port. As the name suggests, yes, it is used to connect monitor to the CPU. Okay, so VGA full form is your video graphics array. Okay, full form of VGA is video graphics array, is used to connect the monitor to the computer. Now VGA offers images at high resolution. Okay, means your images will be more clearer. It can produce 256 colors at a time from a palette of your 2,62,144 colors. Okay, so palette is of 2,62,144 colors and you can take 256 colors at a time in your VGA port. The original VGA though had the resolution of your 320 by 400 pixels and at the standard resolution is your 640 by 480 pixels. Okay, and it was capable of your displaying only 16 colors at a time. This was the earlier. Okay, VGA requires VGA monitors or one capable of accepting analog output of VGA card. ये जो 16 colors are displayed at a time, this will be your monochrome monitors, means your black and white monitor. Let's move to the next port. Yes, this is your parallel port. This port is known as your parallel port. Okay, and this is generally used to connect the printers. Some printers, earlier printers are having that parallel ports. Nowadays printers are also coming with the USB port. Okay, and printer and other devices are said to be either parallel or serial. Parallel means the device is capable of receiving more than one bit at a time. Means its speed is more than as compared to your serial port. Okay, most modern printers are your parallel port printers, but nowadays the printers are coming with your USB ports. Let's move on to the next port. This is the picture of your Ethernet port. Okay, Ethernet port. You know that. What is this? Yes, RJ45 connector. And this is your, this part is known as your Ethernet port, where you are going to attach the Ethernet cable. And this Ethernet cable is used to attach your LAN wires or your internet connection. Okay, see, this is the picture of your hub where you are going to connect your RJ45 connector in your Ethernet port. So there is a built-in इथरनेट पोर्ट ऑन मोस्ट कॉमन कंप्यूटर्स पहले से ही इनबिल्ट रहता है उसमें टू कनेक्ट टू द वायर्ड नेटवर्क. ओके, दिस इज यूज टू कनेक्ट टू द वायर्ड नेटवर्क. इफ योर नेटवर्क इज वायर्ड, okay, then you need to be your RJ45 connector or your Ethernet port. And Ethernet port is also found on your routers. You have seen these ports on your routers also. Let's move on to the next port, USB port. Okay, USB port. What is the full form of USB port? That is your Universal Serial Bus Port. First there was your serial ports, then your parallel ports, and then the new port was developed, that is your Universal Serial Bus Port. Okay, this is your USB cable and your port. This icon is used for your USB connector. Okay, generally it has your 4 pins inside that. Standard type of USB port is your 4 pins in this type, and standard B is also there, which has also 4 pins, but in this type of arrangement. This is your second type of USB port, and this is your first type of USB port, which has your 4 pins. Okay, let's see. Yes, Universal Serial Bus. USB का full form है Universal Serial Bus. It's a protocol for transferring data to and from digital devices. Okay, a single USB port. Now this is a fact. A single USB port can be used to connect up to 127 peripheral devices. If you are having a single USB connector and multiple USB ports on that, then you can attach 127 peripheral devices on the single USB port. Such as if you are having USB port, then you can attach it and attach your mouse also, modem also, keyboard also, and it's known as your plug and play device. USB is also known as your plug and play device, means it does not require any driver. Okay, so it's your plug and play, and it requires only plug and play installation. Now next is your mini audio jack. Okay, have you seen this audio jack? Like in your earphones also you have seen this audio jack. Okay, so you have to attach this audio jack to your computer for listening your music or your sound. Okay, now this audio jack is coming in your different sizes. Like if you want to attach a big speakers to your computer, then maybe it is of your this type of jack, audio jack. Its size is your 6.35 mm. Then the size comes in your 4.4 mm, 3.5 mm and 2.5 mm. Okay, generally the audio jack we are using in our earphones is your 2.5 mm. Now audio connectors are used to affix cables to other audio equipments. If you are having other audio equipments, you want to connect it to the computer, then you are going to use audio jack, providing electronic signals transference and grounding protection. Okay, then connectors may be plugs, jacks or combination. Maybe you can plug it, maybe it's a sort of your jacks which are available in the market, or in the combination of plugs and jacks as the integral switch. Combination plug and jack connectors are also available in the market. Okay, let's move on to the next. Yes, so what we have learned today, we have learned different types of ports. Yes, your keyboard connectors, mouse connector, USB port, then your Ethernet, serial connection, parallel connection, VGA, microphone, line in, then your speakers, and this is your game or your MIDI port. So these are the different types of ports, commonly used ports in your computer. Okay, so you have to observe different ports available on your computer or laptop. Goodbye for now. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.